What impact will beneficiary schemes have on Assam's politics? No matter which political party forms the government, the primary goal and objective of the government is to provide minimum facilities to every section of society. In our society, for those living below the poverty line, the government introduces various schemes with the aim of providing some relief and ensuring basic necessities for survival. To increase the literacy rate in society, the government also implements several educational schemes for students. These schemes launched by the government affect a large number of citizens in the state. Like the rest of the country, a significant number of people in Assam still live below the poverty line. The daily income of these people is around 100 rupees. Therefore, to ensure that these citizens are not deprived of their basic rights, the government tries to provide relief through various timely schemes. But now the biggest question is, how do these government schemes introduced for public welfare influence elections? If these schemes do influence elections, does that raise questions about the fairness of elections? In reality, no scheme introduced by the government directly influences elections. Government beneficiary schemes implemented in the country or the state continue as an ongoing process. Therefore, they do not directly affect elections. However, indirectly, these schemes can provide some advantage to the ruling political party. This depends on how effectively and thoughtfully the ruling party has implemented the schemes introduced for the general public. Since the objective of government schemes is to provide relief to the general public, their impact depends on how effectively and foresightedly they are implemented. If a political party, while in power, implements schemes that significantly benefit the public, it can gain public support in elections. Citizens who genuinely benefit from these schemes may come forward to support the ruling party. It is natural for those whose lives have improved because of these schemes to feel inclined toward the ruling side. Having been in power for 5 years, it is also natural for the ruling party to gain some advantage in elections. However, this does not mean that it becomes impossible for the opposition to challenge the ruling party. No political party can demonstrate its strength in an election based solely on beneficiary schemes. These schemes are only one part of a party's electoral strategy. It is natural that beneficiary schemes influence elections to some extent, but election results are never determined solely by them. There is also no guarantee that those who benefit from these schemes will vote only for the ruling party. Therefore, beneficiary schemes do not play a decisive role in elections. They are merely a part of the electoral strategy of political parties. Even though a limited number of voters may be influenced by these schemes, the majority of voters are aware and conscious. And it is these aware and conscious voters who play the decisive role in politics. Hence, beneficiary schemes cannot be considered the main reason for the defeat of any political party. After watching our video, please don't forget to share your opinion in the comment box. If you liked the video, please give it a like, and to keep getting more videos like this in the future, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. With the promise of meeting you again with a new topic, thank you for today.